Introducing the First Time Bunny Teaser, a discreetly sized bunny stimulator. It has 9 powerful functions of vibration, pulsation, and escalation. This powerful stimulator has a sleeve made of a safe and pure plushy soft material over hard plastic. The bunny teaser is 1 inch long and 3/4 of an inch wide. Its shaft is 3 inches long and 1 1/4 inches wide, with an overall length of 6 inches and a width of 1.5 inches. This powerful vibe is terrific for internal and external stimulation. It's easy to use. Just press the button on the end cap to change the various functions. The stimulator uses 2 AAA batteries and comes in pastel pink or purple. The First Time Bunny Teaser is also waterproof for fun in or out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your bunny teaser with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Make it a memorable experience with the First Time Bunny Teaser.